Springbok front row powerhouse Ox Nche said he's still coming to terms with his history-making nomination for the World Rugby Men's Player of the Year award. Ox became the first prop ever to make the shortlist when his name was announced earlier this week, a moment he admits left him stunned. Speaking at Northgate in Johannesburg on Thursday, where he appeared as a brand ambassador for the Braai Republic's first franchise outlet, Nche said the recognition had yet to fully sink in and said, I'm still digesting it. I still can't believe it. It's overwhelming. Every player dreams of being considered one of the best in the world, but when it becomes real, it almost doesn't feel real. You get emotional. Even now, I'm getting goosebumps thinking about all the hours and sacrifices that brought me here. Ox's elevation to the elite shortlist comes after several seasons of standout performances for the Springboks, underpinned by his dominant scrummaging and immense work related. In 2024 alone, South Africa won 34 of their 38 scrums, a statistic heavily attributed to his power and technical precision at the set piece. His defensive contributions and relentless workload around the park have also drawn praise, while his role in the Boks 2023 World Cup defense and consecutive Rugby Championship triumphs has further cemented his value. Last season, during the United Rugby Championship, not considered in the World Rugby's award criteria, he finished as the #1 ranked player in the top 100. Although an ankle and knee injury sidelined him earlier this month, halting what had been the finest season of his career, debate over his suitability for the sport's biggest individual honor had already begun long before his nomination was confirmed. Ox's recognition has reignited long-running conversations about the scrum's place in modern rugby, amid criticism that recent law tweaks aim to reduce the set piece's influence. Nche insists the changes have instead raised standards and said, even me, as a prop, I hate resets. Fans don't want to watch 5 resets in a row. World Rugby is trying to make it cleaner and more efficient so the game can flow. What they are really doing is challenging props to improve. The quality of scrummaging at international level right now is now unbelievable. Any team can get you on the day. Nche shares the Player of the Year shortlist with Springbok teammates Malcolm Marx and reigning World Rugby Player of the Year Pieter-Steph du Toit, as well as Six Nations standout Louis Bailey. For him, the dominance of South African forwards on the list speaks volume about the Springboks' collective culture and head coach. Erasmus said it's a testament to the team. I can't scrum alone. I need a pack of fully committed to the job. Malcolm works incredibly hard off the ball. He scrums hard and he throws well, but he needs quality locks. You need people you trust. Being part of the squad is an honor. While the Boks prepare for their much-anticipated showdown against Ireland on Saturday evening, kickoff 7:40 p.m., Nche will be watching from home as he continues his rehabilitation. He confirmed he is aiming to return to action in January. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.